Hello, this is NickZ. Okay, I have disconnected two batteries, two wires, so we have only one battery, 12 volts, connected to the circuit. 12.8 volts. The rest of the circuit is unchanged for the moment. I still have these three bulbs, 550 watts connected. I have the probe, the yellow probe, across the primary coil. I will first hook it up and show you the lights, and then compare it with the two 60 watt bulbs parallel. Let me connect. So it's lighting up, but this is really very dim. This is surely only, what was it, 31 watts we showed yesterday. This is a signal coming out from the primary, 26 volts RMS, 6 kilohertz, and this is the voltage 12.3 amps, so it's pulling a heavy load on this single battery at the moment, but still no change in signal or output as I can see it on this moment. Okay, I will hook up these 2 times 230 volts 60 watts bulbs, 120 watts. Let's see what's happened. Okay, 2 bulbs connected, 120 watts, still the single battery connected, 12.7 volts, almost 1 amp, still the 27 volts RMS. Frequency is higher, almost 8 kilohertz. I do not hear the beep anymore, the pitch, but that's probably my age. And well, we have some glow. Somewhere there, it's heating up, so there must be something in there, but this is very minimum. And this is also the normal signal, so nothing is heating up. Not sure what you mean by these caps being... What did you write? Something about strange caps, but these are normal. I think you have the same on your Mozilla circuit. These are 220, 4 parallel, so 800 something. So also again with the 1 amp running, which should be handled okay for this this one battery. Last time I had this strange result with 24 volts, so I will hook up now 2 batteries in series to see the result with 24 volts. There you go. Okay, both batteries are in series. I have 25.5 volts. Still the 120 watt bulbs connecting. 25.2 volts, 1.4 amps DC. The bulbs are lit a little bit better. I hear some noise now. It's the same 7.8 kilohertz, but I can hear it now, so it's stronger now. I guess it's 45 volts RMS. But it's again a nice signal. It's no irregular shaped. I'm not sure why. Perhaps the load is not enough, so I will change again to the halogens to see if that makes any difference. Nothing is heating up, so it's very stable. But you can see that if this is a sine wave signal, then you should have no problems with your MOSFETs. That's my experience with this circuit. Okay, changing the halogens. Hang on. Okay, halogens installed 550 watts. Rest is unchanged, 24 volts. And we'll connect it now again. We can see that we have much more power draw now, 5.3 amps. The bulbs are on much lighter. And we have here this strange signal across the primary. This is not a nice sine wave, so probably we now have this problem with heating up. MOSFET's getting, well, so we also see the imbalance now again in the MOSFETs. One is getting hotter than the other one. Now it changes again back to a normal shape. 4 amps. So probably this is the higher voltage. It's kind of stable now again. Cap's not heating up. These are getting hotter. The choke is getting hot as well because there's 5 amps now. Oh, there was 5 amps running. So there is a difference in the signal. Let me try to get the other signal back again. It's temporarily and then it falls back to the normal mode. So I would expect the other way around. First the normal mode and then when the battery sags. Okay, but yeah, the higher voltage is much critical. Not sure. The batteries are freshly loaded, so perhaps there's something there. I guess the voltage is stable. I can check the voltage directly on the battery. So we had 10 volts per division, so we have a nice DC. Let me see what happens if I try to get it into this strange mode, I call it. You can see that there's some kind of oscillations going when that happens. I've stopped the scope now. So there is some strange things going on when it gets in this special mode. I'm not sure if it's the battery or whatever, something else. Okay, so I'm sure that something is kind of oscillating or feedbacking when there is this higher voltage active. Perhaps it's something to do with the ferrite also as well. I'm not sure, getting a little bit warm. I should be able to make some input-output measurements, but you see the special mode is not very stable, and I should be able to get it, perhaps by changing some caps. Okay, this is the first tests for now. Thank you for watching.